Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Ulike AIR3. This is the IPL hair removal device. Perhaps you're watching this because you are hairy like me, okay? I can relate to that. I am Latina and I have a lot of hair that I just hate dealing with. This device is going to give you long-lasting hair removal from the comfort of your home. In less than 4 weeks of consistent treatments, you'll begin to see visible hair growth reduction. This is going to be my first impression of the device. This is what the Ulike device looks like. You turn it over and this is where the light comes out. This is the power button. You want to hold it down until you see that it powers on in the front. And in the front, you're going to see different settings. You can use the lowest setting or the highest setting, which you will feel a little bit more. And the button on the top is where you want to hold down and move through your body. And then right over here, this is the power bank. You want to attach it and get it into an outlet, and then you can use the device. Along with all of this, you get your instructions and a razor like this one right here. The razor should be packaged like this, and then we also get these really cool glasses to protect our eyes. Now I'm going to take you through how I use this Ulike hair removal device. Step 1, you want to remove all visible hair by shaving. I had to shave my legs. I did shave my armpits and my arms. You want to cleanse the treatment area and pat it dry. Do not use any gels or creams with this device. Step 2, you want to find a comfortable place, connect the adapter to the handset, and plug in the power. Step 3, you want to goggle up. Wear the professional IPL safety glasses that come in the box. Step 4, you want to turn on the device. You can short press to turn on the handset. Once the handset is on, you want to short press to change the intensity levels. Now, I started with level 2 because level 3, it was a little intense for my first time. Now, I personally don't think it is painful. Level 2 is not painful at all, not even level 3. It's just an uncomfortable feeling. It's kind of like a rubber band snapping. But like a little snap, not a intense snap, because rubber band snapping can be painful, but it's like a little bit. IPL stands for intense pulse light. IPL uses intense pulses of broad spectrum of polychromatic light. It targets the melanin in hair follicles and sets the hair root dormant, bringing permanent hair removal results. The critical difference between laser and IPL is the type of light used. IPL uses a broadband pulse light source, where Area's laser is a monochromatic, coherent light source. Both methods target the melanin in hair follicle and can achieve permanent results. The melanin in hair follicle will absorb the IPL light and heat up. The heat will set the hair follicle dormant and stop hair from regrowing. So sometimes during the treatments, people will feel slight pain. Like I mentioned, it feels like a rubber band snapping. Some at-home IPL devices' light window can even reach temperatures of 200 Fahrenheit during use. It's strongly encouraged that you start with the soft mode, start at the lightest setting, and do a test patch. The softest setting for me was tolerable. I didn't really feel anything, so I went to the second setting. I'll definitely be doing the third setting the next time. The soft mode, which is the first setting, is for delicate areas. The second setting is suitable for the whole body. And then the third setting is power mode. This is the most intense one, which I will be using once I'm a little bit more comfortable using this device. And in case you're wondering why we had to shave before using the Ulike device, shaving off the hair will let the treatment have better performance, so the IPL light will work only towards the hair root but not distracted by the surface hair. So only shave to prep the skin, because other methods will remove the hair root, affecting the treatment performance. If you smell some burning during the treatment, it is probably because the IPL light burns the surface of hair stubble residue. I really love the idea of using this product because salon treatments can become very expensive for this type of treatment. I'm also a mommy of 2, so it's very convenient for me to do it from the comfort of my own home. You can use my discount code, which I have up on the screen, so you can get some money off of your purchase. I'll also have the product linked down below in my description box, so don't forget to check that out. Also, keep in mind, this is my first time using the device. It's recommended that you use it at least 3 times a week for the first month to achieve the best results. If you have areas that have thicker hair or stubbornness, feel free to elevate the power level and frequency of usage. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Give this video a thumbs up for the effort that went into making this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.